Today we making cupcakes.
Confetti cupcake strawberries.
So before we get to the video, make sure you like, subscribe to the camera, and like and share.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you do it? Now let's get into the video. So we got confetti strawberry cupcakes. And we got some frosting and it's vanilla and we're going to put it on top. So let's open it. Okay, so let me pour this.
I got the oil and pan for the cupcakes, and I'm going to spray it.
Don't spray too much.
And then this one, that one. Okay.
Oh.
That's a little house.
So let's put the oil.
It looks slimy. Now the water. It looks like you could just drink it.
Okay, and then put some.
Be careful. Could easily get some. Ooh. It's baby eggs too. You can't break it. How to? Oh, I love baby eggs because when you crack them, it be beautiful. That's cute.
Wow.
It
looks like strawberry. This turned.
It is strawberry.
Wow. So you have makes it really good. We can turn out really good. Let me show you. Strawberry. It looks like sprinkles in it. Okay. Come on. Ooh.
It's not coming up. Ooh. Look at that. So it looks yummy. It looks yummy. Ooh.
Oh, that is.
Okay. I get a little more. Ooh, look at that. Why is that wasted? Oh, yeah, it is.
Get a lot.
I did. Okay, so it could be really good. And then we can bust that one. It's kind of light, but I had to make sure it's not.
It's supposed to be a lot like these.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm supposed to be doing this one.
Okay, let me show you guys.
Wait.
Okay, so before we put this in the oven, I'm gonna say it again. Confetti strawberry cupcake. Now let's put it in the oven. So we put it in the oven for 25 minutes and 350 degrees. Just like that. And let it bake.